everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you how to make this beautiful eye-low cape top. Okay, this is the back and this is the front. The front is shorter than the back, okay, and you only need a few measurements. So if you like, you can wear it this way, okay. If you like, you can open it up. It's not going to fall off from your shoulders. You can put a button to hold it here, but I like it open this way so that I can modify it anyhow I want. Please subscribe to my channel, share, like, drop your comments, ask your questions, and I'm going to attend to it. So guys, to make this beautiful eye-low cape, the measurements that we are going to need are the front length. The measurement I want is 15 for myself. Okay, you know it's a high-low, so the front has to be shorter than the back. The back length 19, okay, 19 inches, and then you need your shoulder to shoulder measurement, okay, so that is from one shoulder to the other, and mine is 15 inches. So the first is to cut the amount of fabric that we are going to need. Okay, this is a scuba fabric and it is 2 meters. So to start, okay, what we are going to do is to fold the fabric first, right? So you know the front length is 15, so we are going to fold 15 inches over. All right, so it's just like this. This is the length of my fabric, so I'm going to fold 15 inches over this way. So from here to here will be 15 inches, and then from here to here, which is going to be the back, will be 19 inches. Do you understand me? So that is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to fold 15 inches this way. Remember that we are going to hem the fabric, right? So I would advise that you had an extra 1 inch for hemming. So I'll be measuring 16 inches. So this is perfect for me. So here I have 16 inches from here to here. So again, I'm going to measure out 19 inches, right? 20 inches rather, okay? Because I'm going to hem that part as well. So here is my 20-inch mark. From here to here is 16 inches, and from here to here is 20 inches. So the next thing is to know the width of my fabric, okay? I want to know how wide it is going to be. So remember I told you that you need your shoulder to shoulder measurement. Mine is 15 inches, and then I'm going to add the extra inches to it. So the measurement I'm going to add is 15 inches, okay? So it depends on how you want it to fall down your shoulder. If you want it to be just right on your shoulder, okay, you don't need to add anything to this. But if you want it to fall down, maybe somewhere in the middle of your shoulder and your elbow, then you can add extra inches, okay? So 15 plus 15 is 30 inches. So now I am going to measure from here, okay, from the edge here, 30 inches, okay? So right here I have 30 inches. But remember that we are going to hem the dress as well. So I'm going to add an extra 1 inch. That's 31 inches, right? So having done this, okay, the next thing I'm going to do is to cut out this rectangle so that we can remove the excess fabric. Okay, so guys, now this is the rectangle that I need. Again, let me do a recap. From here to here is the front length, which is 15 inches plus 1 inch for hemming, right? From here to here, okay, is the back length, right? Which is 19 inches plus 1 inch for hemming. And then from here to here is the shoulder width plus extra 15 inches, okay? Remember I said that what you're going to do here depends on what you want, depends on how well you want it to fall below your shoulders, okay? So now that I have this rectangle, the next thing is to fold this fabric over itself, okay? So by folding it over itself, I'll have something like this. So this is what I have. So here is the midpoint, right? So now upon folding it this way, the next thing we're going to do is to mark out the neckline. All right, so if you have a slim neck just like me, All right, if I measure around my neck, what I have is about 16 inches. So if you have a slim neck, you are going to use 2 inches by 2 inches. Okay, but if your neck is wider, you can use 2.5 by 2.5. Don't go beyond that. So I'm going to measure 2 by 2. Just like we do when we are measuring a circle. So the next thing is to measure out the length of the cape, right? You know, we've already gotten the accurate length that we want. So what I'm going to do is just to cut it this way to meet up with what we have here. But we are not just going to cut it like this. Measure about 5 inches down from here, from the top. All right, this is what we have. This part too, measure about 5 inches inward, okay? Make the mark, and then you try to, from here to here, make it straight first, okay? Make it straight first, then you curve it to meet up with the 5-inch mark that you made here, okay? So my chalk is not really showing, but I'll try as much as possible. So you're going to cut it like this, straight, you get here, then you curve it to get here, and then straight to as well, okay? Okay, so now that I have cut it, so guys, if you don't do this 5-inch thing that I just mentioned now, okay, measure from here to here, make it straight, then you curve it, measure from here to here, make it straight, then you curve it. You're going to have very thin, like it's going to be like a V at the back, except that is what you want. But I want mine to be like something like this, like a circle, okay, like a semicircle rather, not like this, not V. So I'm going to cut out the neckline 2 inches by 2 inches. The next thing we're going to do is to cut the front open. All right, I'm looking for the perfect way. Okay, I think the first thing I should do is to notch. Let me notch. Okay, notch here and notch here as well. Open it up, right? Then you draw a straight line. And then you cut it open. And here we have it. This is our cape. Okay, so the next thing is to hem the neck. All right, I'm going to hem this part also. Mind you, this fabric does not fray, so you can as well leave it like this. If it's as neat as you want, if the edges are really neat and you like it that way, you can leave it, okay? But for me, I'm just going to hem it, hem here, hem the neckline, and then all through, okay? And then after hemming, I'll show you what it looks like. So guys, this is a cape top that we just made. It is very, very beautiful, and you can wear it in winter, you can wear it in summer. It depends on what you want. You can wear it on a sleeveless dress, all right? You can wear it just to cover yourself, okay? So in case you want it to overlap at the front, okay? You know, I used 2 inches by 2 inches for the neck width and the neck depth, right? So in case you want it to overlap at the front, you can make it 2.5 by 2.5. Or you can make it 3 by 3. You should only make it 3 by 3 if your neck is thick, okay? Because if you make it 3 by 3 and your neck is not thick, it is going to drop on your neck and you may not like the outcome. All right, you see, this is actually clinging to my neck and I like it this way. All right, so this is it. I have hemmed it. One thing I think I will change next time I'm making something like this is I think I want the shoulder to drop a little bit more, okay? So instead of adding 15, maybe I would add like 20 inches, all right, so that it will drop a little bit more. And then I think I would have preferred that the front was shorter than this length, okay? I think I want it to be something like this, okay? Just below my bust, under the bust line, and I want the back to be longer this way. okay? But aside that, it is all right. It is very beautiful and I like it, okay? So thank you very much for watching my tutorial. If it has been helpful, please let me know. Drop your comments, ask your questions, and please, please, please subscribe. Please subscribe so that we can move the channel forward. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.